Welcome to another culinary adventure with Duey C.K. As the clock ticks towards midnight, let's whip up some New Year's Eve appetizers that will keep your guests coming back for more. First on our menu, we have mini crab cakes. These bite-sized delights are made with fresh crab meat, breadcrumbs, and a hint of Old Bay seasoning. They're quick to fry and even quicker to disappear. While you're frying, did you know that crab cakes date back to the Native American cultures of the Chesapeake Bay area? Next, we have stuffed mushrooms. Choose big, juicy button mushrooms, fill them with a mix of cream cheese, garlic, and chopped spinach, and bake until golden. Mushrooms were prized in ancient Egyptian cuisine, believed to be the plant of immortality. Now let's add some color with caprese skewers. Thread cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, and fresh basil on toothpicks. Drizzle with balsamic glaze, and voila! This Italian classic celebrates the colors of their national flag. To keep the laughter rolling, Peppy the Peppermill advises, don't skimp on the seasoning. A little dash goes a long way. These appetizers are not just delicious, but steeped in rich history, making your New Year's Eve unforgettable. So roll up your sleeves and let's get cooking.